Please request all the guests to come at the main gate. Hello. May I request everyone? Kirti sir, you are required at the main gate. Kirti sir, you are required at the main gate. You have to inaugurate the facility. Please be at the main gate. Can we make it faster, please? Akhilesh, our team, please come out. No, chalo dena, koi banda nahi. चलो बता बाहर रहे आपड़े. We have to be out. We are inaugurating the facility. Please come. Please. Everyone at the main gate, please. Hello. Morning. Everyone at the main gate, please. Raju bhai, morning. How are you? Please. We are going to inaugurate. Yes, that's it. Everybody is there. Please. Manu, this side. Out here, please. Zong, how are you? All okay? All well.
Yeah. Long time meet.
Yes, after almost 3 years.
Yeah.
Come. चंद्रशेखर जी आगे. ओ रेड गेट पे प्लीज. हेलो गाइस. हेलो. वी आर गैदरिंग एट द मेन गेट. राजेश आगे लेना है बधाने. Wait.
Injection molding machine division, the vigorous force.
One second. Everybody is ready? Welcome everyone to YIZUMI HPM. We are happy to have you over here. When the ribbon is cut, we'd like to have a huge round of applause so that you are part of our celebrations. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Please. Welcome everyone. सब बोलो कुछ यहाँ. सब बोलो आप यहाँ कुछ यहाँ. आप बोलो
Please, all welcome, please.
I would like Mr. Ramesh to welcome all the guests.
Please, welcome, please.
All are requested to take their seats and be comfortable. Shortly, we'll begin with the program that we have aligned for the day today.
I can't hear from you. Everyone at the back. We are unstoppable. We are absolutely unstoppable. And I'm so happy to see we have our strong business associates from across India. Would like to say quick hello to everyone. Would love to know who all are from South India. Chennai, Hyderabad. Vanakkam. Yappadi irukringo? Nalla irukringla? Awesome. Everyone from Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Chennai. I got to know we have some of our delegates from North India, Delhi, Rajasthan. How many of you are there? Delhi, Rajasthan. Where are you from, sir? Yes? Okay. Anyone from Delhi? Delhi, okay. Delhi, okay. यहीं से. राजस्थान में कहते हैं ना खम्मा गणिसा पधारो मारे गुजरात. Hello to everyone from Delhi. I got to know we have some of our delegates from Kolkata. How many from Kolkata here? Kolkata? Kemon acho? Bhalo achi? I know something in Kolkata that is Amit amake bhalo bashi. How many from Gujarat? Vapi. Kem છો? જ્યારે બી આપણે ગુજરાતમાં મરીએ હંમેશા એક સાથે બોલીએ એકબીજાની સાથે હાથી ઘોડા પાલકી. No, I can't hear you. Hathi Ghoda Palki. Absolutely Kanaya Lal ki. How many from Mumbai here? Maharashtra. Came cho, acha came cho to wahan se. Kasa काय आमची मुंबई? तुमच्या सर्वेच्या मध्ये फॅक्टरी मध्ये हार्दिक स्वागत आहे. With this note, ladies and gentlemen, I'm very happy to share YIZUMI HPM Corporation. If I talk about HPM, a manufacturer of high-quality hybrid injection molding machinery from 60 to 3,500 tons, hot and cold chamber die casting machinery from 200 to 4,500 tons, HPM has been supplying injection molding machinery and support services to the plastic industry since 1931 and has thousands of injection molding machines and die casting machines in operation throughout North America. Ladies and gentlemen, HPM company was incorporated in 1877 as a hydraulic press manufacturing company. Through the sales efforts of its founders, ladies and gentlemen, the company has marketed its products to the most fruit-growing areas in the United States and Canada. Gaining credibility primarily through word-of-mouth advertising, HPM started to manufacture hydraulic presses that were used in a number of markets, including textiles, railroads, and food processing. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very happy to share now about YIZUMI India. If I talk about YIZUMI India, which is now located in Ahmedabad, Apnu, Gujarat, occupies an area of more than 8,775 square meters. It was put into production in 2018 June. Now, from this month, we are starting the operations October 2022. In the first year of YIZUMI India, the sales, you know what? The sales in the first half of 2018 exceeded 230 million Indian rupees. And now, currently in 2022, the sales will be crossed 2,000 million Indian rupees. That is something really wow. With our esteemed support, with our esteemed patrons attending from all across India, the factory launch, this event is a grand celebration of our milestone journey and the display of incredible designs, engineering, manufacturing, and sales strength, thereby being a strong and a supportive contributor towards the growth of Gujarat and nation. Ladies and gentlemen, this creates ample work opportunities. And now you all are worthy industrialists from across the nation who have been strong business associates of YIZUMI HPM. Thank you so much. Please give a big round of applause, everyone, for all the dignitaries, delegates present here from across India. You know what? It is said that the last words of Dr. Buddha and last words of Gautam Buddha were Apo Deepo Bhava, which means be your own light. And as we start this celebration, as we start this milestone journey, हमारे भारतीय संस्कृति में कहा गया है हमेशा शुभ शाम की शुरुआत, शुभ काम की शुरुआत, शुभ सेलिब्रेशन की शुरुआत ऊपर वाले के नाम के साथ करते हैं. आइए, let's start this beautiful celebration with Ganesh Vandana. And for that, I would like to call on the stage the team which is called Atman. Atman is an Indian contemporary dance team created by Mansi Karani and Mansi Modi. You are going to see the creative collaboration of Bharatnatyam, Kathak, and Indian contemporary along with a touch of Indian martial arts, which is called as Kalari Padayatu. Please put your hands together and welcome as we start with the first performance, Ganesh Vandana.
हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पद आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पद आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पद आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम्
Ladies and gentlemen, here we had Ganesh Vandana. Can we have the huge round of applause, everyone? When we say Ganesh Vandana, it would be incomplete without saying Ganpati Bappa. Nahin, aise nahin. Little loud, everyone, with a nice smile on the face. Ganpati Bappa. Moria. You know what? There's one man behind YIZUMI India, जिनके बारे में मैंने सुना है. Okay, just to know, just for my information, how many of you can understand Hindi? So I'll keep my language accordingly. How many of you understand Hindi? Okay, how many of you don't understand Hindi? Okay, so I'll keep it mixed. I'll keep it mixed. There's one man, I've heard so much about him, learned so much about him. With his presence, I can say, you know, the hall, the ambience lights up. I have learned from him the one thing, that is, जैसे अकेला चांद तारों में मुस्कुराता है, जैसे अकेला चांद तारों में मुस्कुराता है, मुश्किलों में अकेला इंसान घबराता है. कांटों से कभी मत डरना मेरे दोस्त, कांटों से कभी मत डरना मेरे दोस्त, क्योंकि कांटों के बीच ही अकेला गुलाब मुस्कुराता है, अकेला गुलाब मुस्कुराता है. So when you work hard, when you put your heart and soul into something, you achieve that and you always shine brighter. This is one thing which I have learned from this man, this hero, this versatile leader, and we know him as Mr. Ramesh Vardhan. We have learned so much from you, sir. May I request you, if you can just stand up and say hello to everyone, Mr. Ramesh. Just a wave to everyone. Thank you so much. So many things we have learned, and we are absolutely proud to have, to have this program, this celebration with your guidance. Ladies and gentlemen, if I talk about here YIZUMI India, you know what? YIZUMI India, it started manufacturing and business operations in India by leasing a factory since 2017 and built a good reputation in the local market because of the excellent product quality. Ladies and gentlemen, as of September 2021, up to 1,000 injection molding machines have been manufactured and sold by YIZUMI India. And the Indian market has become its single largest market overseas, with a business of expansion, the rapid growing market. According to YIZUMI, ladies and gentlemen, we have purchased the land in Gujarat, India, to build our own modern factory. We are going to see some performances, we are going to unveil, we are going to see the launch, we are going to light the lamp, plus we are going to have some minister with us today. But before that, as today YIZUMI's new factory in India is officially put into use, it occupies an area of 80,000 square meters, and the annual output value is now expected to hit 10 billion rupees. Oh my God, that is really amazing to know and to see. Its design and construction fully refer to the highest standard of YIZUMI headquarters. Ladies and gentlemen, due to the special geographical location and connectivity of India, YIZUMI India attempts to drive market expansion to neighboring countries and regions such as South Asia, Central Asia, and Africa, on the basis of meeting, as per the demand which will be coming. Now, the new intelligent production base in India with a higher standard of YIZUMI's largest investment project in overseas market to date, representing another solid step in its global layout. Ladies and gentlemen, the successful experience of YIZUMI's India factory may also be copied to build many new factories of YIZUMI and contribute to the success of YIZUMI globalization objectives. Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to call the one on the stage. Yes, like me, I'm sure you all are waiting to meet him. I'm talking about the sales manager, South Asia market, the one who holds a master degree in supply chain management from University of Sussex, United Kingdom. He has 8 years of working experience in plastic machinery industry. Please put your hands together and welcome on stage Mr. Wilman Zhao. Welcome, sir, on the stage. A very warm welcome.
Good morning, dear distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of YIZUMI HPM Global Staff, it is my great pleasure and honor to give a warm speech to all of you to the opening ceremony of YIZUMI HPM new factory in Ahmedabad. And thank you so much for your friendly coming. YIZUMI is a global company specific in molding machinery industry, offering the products such as plastic injection molding machines, die casting machines, wafer injection machine, and robotic automation solutions. YIZUMI have worldwide production base in China, USA, and India. We have R&D center in Germany, technical center in Brazil, Vietnam, and Thailand. Total worldwide production area covering 600,000 square meters. We have with over 3,500 employees all around the world. YIZUMI HPM new factory is located in GIDC Industry Park, covering an area of 80,000 square meters. We will complete this factory in 2 phases. The first phase of the factory is with floor area covering 20,000 square meters. With this production capacity, we can produce up to 2,000 injection molding machines per year. The construction of the new factory started in 2019, June. After 40 months of production and preparation, the first phase of the factory is going to start from today. The factory has the capacity to offer functions such as machine customizations, parts manufacturing, and machine assembly and commissioning, as well as customized customer service and training. With the support of the new factory and a professional team from Indian and Chinese engineers, we work together closely to offer local customer faster product delivery, higher quality products, and better after-sales service. The completion of the new India factory is the new starting point for YIZUMI HPM. We will continue to create more value for customers with better quality products and more convenient service through YIZUMI HPM innovation in technology, service, and management. Meanwhile, YIZUMI will grow up together with our customer, our employees, and our partners towards successful development. Because of some issues, our chairman and CEO, Mr. Richard, is not able to come. Here we have a special video and message from him, as well as our director, Mr. James, and Mrs. Karen. Can we place the video, please?
Distinguished guests, friends, and colleagues, good morning. I'm Richard Yan, Chairman and CEO of YIZUMI HPM Group. Today is a big day for YIZUMI HPM India. Although I cannot attend personally the opening ceremony of our new factory at Ahmedabad, Gujarat, I still want to express my warmest welcome to all of the guests who participate in this event through this video. Here, I would like to propose a vote of thanks to the Industry and Mines Department of Gujarat, the Industrial Extension Bureau of Gujarat, and the Foreigners Regional Registration Office for supporting the establishment of our factory in India. Thanks to the All India Plastic Manufacturers Association, the Plastics Machinery Manufacturers Association of India, and the local Chinese Business Association for supporting our development. Thanks to our esteemed customers, namely United Industry Plastic Private Limited, Sandaram Auto Components Limited, VTK Industry Private Limited, 52 India Private Limited, and Premier Plastotech Private Limited, and many others for your trust to YIZUMI HPM. Thanks to our excellent partners, Jones Lang LaSalle, S3M Design Consultants LLP, TAS Structbuild Private Limited, Smith Structure India Private Limited, EVIO Private Limited, Unique MEP Projects Private Limited, etc., for your support during the construction of our new factory. Thanks to Economic Times for reporting the event. Thanks to all of the people for supporting the construction of our new factory. Thank you very much. In 2016, YIZUMI HPM started the direct investment in India. Since then, together with our Indian local team, led by Mr. Ramesh, we launched an extraordinary journey. In 2017, we hired our first factory site in Ahmedabad. 5 years later, the Indian market has become one of the largest international markets of the group. This is a marvelous achievement. Thank you, Mr. Ramesh. Today, we have our own factory in India. It demonstrates not only our long-term commitment in India, but it signifies a new stage of our globalization strategy as well. The new factory has been built since June 2019. This is a modern factory with the first phase construction area of more than 20,000 square meters. With these new facilities, we can triple our production capacity. In the future, we believe we can provide our customers with faster delivery and quality products and services in the highest standard. In recent years, YIZUMI HPM has been committed to pursue the globalization strategy by setting up new R&D centers in Germany, tech centers in Vietnam and Brazil, service hub in France, and new extension of HPM in the USA is coming soon. Meanwhile, we have more than 3,500 employees and more than 10 tech centers and factories around the world. The total factory site is over 600,000 square meters. The group produces more than 10,000 machines a year, and the total turnover in 2021 is more than $500 million. We have become one of the top 10 injection molding machine manufacturers in the world. Last but not the least, again, I am grateful to all honorable guests for coming and thank you for your support in our development in India. Let's keep on working and moving forward together. And I wish you all a prosperous business and a brilliant future. May all go well with you. Thank you.
Today is a remarkable and memorable day. We sincerely congratulate on the smooth relocation of YIZUMI's new factory in Ahmedabad, India. We established YIZUMI India in 2016 with the full support of our customers and unremitting efforts of our local team. We have successfully set up a good reputation in local market. The Indian market has become the largest single overseas market for YIZUMI since 2021. In order to provide better customer service, we purchased the new land in 2020 for the construction of a new factory in Ahmedabad, India, which was completed in August this year. As a milestone event of YIZUMI, I'm very pleased and honored to inform you that our new factory in India will be gradually put into use in September, and a grand opening event will be held in October. Here, I cordially invite you to attend the opening of our new factory in India and wish it a great success.
I wish to give my sincere congratulations to YIZUMI India for the relocation in Ahmedabad. Good job, everyone. The new factory was built under the highest standard with the aim of realizing intelligent and smart production. With this facility, YIZUMI India will be able to provide customers with much better machines in a much shorter time, and will bring the local business to a brand new level. We would love to invite you to witness the opening of this new factory, and we look forward to sharing this joyful moment with you.
Dear distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we are so proud to have a business association with India, and we are looking forward our new factory can bring more value to you. Once again, thanks so much for your coming. Wish you have a good day and prosperous life. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Wilman. Shesha, Wilman, we would like to say a big thank you, Shesha and Ni hao. Anybody else from China here? How did I miss greeting in China? Ni hao, Shesha, Shesha. Thank you so much. Thank you. How beautiful it is. You know what? We always say that no matter what skin color we have, but under every skin color runs the same blood color, which is red. So no matter if we are in South India, if we are in North India, West India, or East India, but the beauty of India is, the beauty of Bharat is unity in diversity. Am I right? Yes or no? Okay, so quickly I would like to know, since we are waiting for our minister, we are waiting for our chief guest, quickly would love to know, who all are from South India here? Would you please raise your hand? Okay, Ramesh sir, I'll just come back to you very quickly. Okay, half Gujarati and half, how amazing is that? Okay, you're from South India. Where are you from, sir?
From Chennai.
From Chennai. Vanakkam in Gujarat, sir. So, please tell me about your name and about your experience, how it has been till now, in few words, if you can explain.
Yeah, I'm from Chennai. My name is Hari Vadakan. Yeah, I have one YIZUMI machine. So I'm doing my automobile and textile industry products. Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, anybody else? Can anyone share me your, experience in some few words? Would be more than happy to know कि कैसा रहा है आपका अभी तक का सफर. Anybody else would like to give a quick review of experience? Sir, you? Acha, you're yet to plan. Hello, sir. How are you? Nice. Acha, yet to plan. Okay, anybody else? Quickly, yes, sir. May I request you to please stand up?
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. I am Panindra, representing Fine Tools India Private Limited. Yeah, our association started with YIZUMI last year. We have purchased 28 machines from Michelin. So from 170 ton to 1,300, and we are now planning to one more machine of 1,300. So we are in talks with Mr. Ramesh. So we have had a very good experience, and all the machines are performing exceptionally well. So we were more concerned about 1,300. Even that is giving us good results. So from last 1 year, it has been a very good experience that we have had with YIZUMI. So we would like to be a partner in future expansion programs with YIZUMI. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That is indeed amazing to hear, some really great experience and the collaborations and the business that you are having together. Can we have a huge round of applause? This is absolutely incredible to hear from you, sir. Thank you. And now, anyone from this side quickly would love to know who would like to add more light into this moment by sharing their experience. Sir, कुछ आप share करना चाहेंगे? Please, आपकी मुस्कुराहट ही कह रही है कि आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे.
Good morning, everybody. We have known Ramesh for n number of years, I would say. We find him very proactive, very customer friendly, and we have overall 20 machines from Ramesh, I would say. Wow. One from YIZUMI, but then his previous assignments also, we have had a lot of support. Nice. We are very happy with YIZUMI machines, and our next expansion, we are planning YIZUMI.
Wow.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Can we have the huge round of applause, sir? Would you please repeat your name once again?
Snehal Shah.
Mr. Shah, I have to say you have a beautiful smile. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, anyone from this side now? Anyone would like to just quickly add some more words into, the celebration as we are moving ahead and we are waiting for our chief guest? Yes, sir.
Hi, good morning. This is Mohan from Iruakwa Plum Tech Private Limited. I am from Tamil Nadu, Salem, near Coimbatore. Me and Ramesh are classmates in CPET. I guess first YIZUMI machine in India came to our factory. We have more than 15 machines. Ramesh is highly experienced person in the injection molding field. Of course, he is known to everyone in this field. We are very happy with the machine. Of course, there is no requirement of service even. But if you need it, the people are next door for you. The machines are excellent. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And you know how exciting it is from the classmates to business associates now. What a beautiful journey I can imagine it has been. Thank you so much. Welcome in Gujarat from Tamil Nadu. Here we had. Ladies and gentlemen, as we move, I'm sure you would love to see the factory from the different point of view, from the different sides and angles. So before that, as we were talking about Ramesh sir, why not to hear some words from him? But before that, let me introduce you. You know, काफी लोग पहली बार भी शायद मिल रहे होंगे. So I'm very happy and it's my pleasure to introduce the man behind YIZUMI India factory. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking about the Managing Director, India, YIZUMI India, Mr. Ramesh has done bachelor's in mechanical engineering from Madras University, post-graduation in plastics engineering technology from SIBT, computer diploma from Anaya University. He got selected in campus engineering technology from SIBT. Ladies and gentlemen, when he was selected in campus placement from European Company of Injection Molding, he started working as a service engineer to sales manager and promoted as country head. He overall worked for 15 years, and then he got an opportunity to work as president and CEO in Italian company of ceramics and plastic business based in Mumbai. Ladies and gentlemen, he also did executive MBA from NIMIMS, Amchi, Mumbai. Later, Mr. Ramesh moved to Ahmedabad and started his joint venture with YIZUMI. I'm so happy and delighted, and I request everyone to please join me to call him and to welcome him on the stage. Please put your hands together and welcome the Managing Director, YIZUMI India, Mr. Ramesh Vardhan. Very warm welcome, sir, on the stage. And Mrs. Vardhan, you're looking absolutely beautiful. I have to say this. She is such a pretty support you have. You know, हमारे हिंदुस्तान में कहते हैं, औरत के बिना हम अधूरे हैं, मतलब जेंट्स अधूरे हैं, right? पत्नी के बिना पति अधूरा है. This is what we always say.
Because I have to go back home.
Absolutely, you have a beautiful wife to go back home. And now, Mr. Ramesh Vardhan, I'm sure, like me, everyone is waiting to see the special view of factory. Can I request you, with your hands, mera remote kahan hai? Yes. So with your hands, if we can see the special shots of the factory. Let's do the countdown. 3. Can I hear from you, everyone? 3, 2, and 1. Mr. Ramesh, can I request you to press like this? Yes.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we have the huge round of applause as we saw some special glimpse of factory. Ladies and gentlemen, I request you all to please put your hands together and welcome Municipal Councillor BJP as we welcome in the house, Mr. Ajit Dadich. Everyone, can we have the huge round of applause? तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट से स्वागत करेंगे श्री अजीत ददीच. We welcome Shri Ajit Dadich. आपका हार्दिक हार्दिक स्वागत है. A very warm welcome in the house today. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to see some more glimpse about the factory YIZUMI India HPM. As we have gathered here, let's see some special video which is we are going to present with you all now. Let's know more about
science
YIZUMI.
and technology. Breakthrough, we believe. Breakthroughs bring changes and make new possibilities. Like here. Every slight change of number is a significant breakthrough. It is the capability of making continual breakthrough that makes YIZUMI Injection Molding Machine Division the vigorous force in the industry. What engenders such a force? Let's find out the answer by learning about YIZUMI Group first. The story of YIZUMI started from 2002. In a dozen years, YIZUMI have made enormous progress and set up 5 divisions: injection molding machine, die casting machine, rubber injection machine, high-speed packaging system, and robotic automation. We have built 3 production bases in Rongwei, Wuxia, and Wujiang, with a total land coverage over 200,000 square meters. And we have set up several technical service centers around the world. In 2011, YIZUMI acquired HPM in the US and began dual brand operation. In 2015, we successfully launched IPO on Chinext, which was a milestone in the history of YIZUMI. Looking back at our development history of more than a decade, we can easily find that the spirit of breakthrough is the original gene that promotes the growth of YIZUMI, and YIZUMI Injection Molding Machine Division completely inherits that gene from its parent company. Today, YIZUMI is among the top 3 injection molding machine manufacturers in China. However, what most customers care about is not our ranking, but continual technical breakthroughs, as mentioned above. Those breakthroughs can create better return on investment for customers. YIZUMI applies the innovative uniform stress molding technology so that damping force is evenly distributed. Hence, the mold platen and mold can be properly protected. We also use high-efficiency mixing screw to deliver rapid plasticizing and improve the performance of plasticizing and mixing at the same time. While ensuring high-speed injection molding, we also take care of good injection repeatability and product quality. Behind those breakthroughs is a strong R&D team from YIZUMI Injection Molding Machine Division. The team includes experts dedicated to Chinese injection molding machine industry for decades, as well as international pioneers who focus on the field of plastics injection molding. Today, YIZUMI Injection Molding Machine Division has 14 product lines, among which A5 series is a type of high-end servo 3-platen injection press that has well-coordinated features, performance, and specifications. DP series 2-platen injection molding machine, which cross international technological threshold, adopts modular design that allows customized configuration. This product line is fully qualified to compete with international counterparts. FE series all-electric injection molding machine is benchmarked against Japanese injection molding technology. It is precise, highly efficient, and energy-saving. Customer needs will always be the source of YIZUMI's technical innovation. Parts made by YIZUMI's injection molding machine have been applied in numerous fields, such as auto parts, household appliances, communications, packaging and medical, etc. Our customers include Midea, Vanward, CR Double Crane, Yili, VW, Hyundai, and other well-known companies. We also bring our high-quality products to more places in the world. YIZUMI is equipped with world-leading precision manufacturing facilities, which enables us to make fundamental breakthroughs in production capacity and product quality. In 2014, YIZUMI invested significantly in building a measuring and testing lab center, which ensured the quality of the outsourcing and self-fabricated parts. We always pay great attention to the quality of every machine component. Every manufacturing procedure must be rigorous and accurate. We insist on standardized assembly process to ensure the performance stability of every machine. Due to our efforts, we have been granted with a lot of honors such as National High-Tech Enterprise, Program of National Torch Plan, and Guangdong Top 50 Machine Manufacturer. We also plan to complete continuous machine line production in the next 3 years. Yet what we can do is more than those. The spirit of breakthrough is also embodied in our service work. In 2012, we established brand new YFO service system. Upon request, our service engineer can arrive at customer site within 24 hours. 90% of machine problems can be eliminated in one-time troubleshooting. 95% of spare parts can be delivered to the customer on the same day. It is the ever-improving products and services that enable YIZUMI to gain trust and support from a large number of customers. There is no doubt that YIZUMI Injection Molding Machine Division has become one of the key suppliers for global plastic industry. We will remain a pioneer in the industry. YIZUMI is determined to become a world-class company in injection molding machine industry.
Ladies and gentlemen, here we saw some special, I would say, the video of factory. And with this, we would like to welcome once again Shri Ajit Dadish. Thank you so much for your precious presence and joining us into this celebration. Now we are going to see some special dance performance, and you're going to see some special surprise coming in from that performance. We are going to call on the stage Bappa's Entertainment. Ladies and gentlemen, they are the winner of D3, D4 Dance Manorama channel you have seen in Kerala. Semi-finalist of Entertainment ke liye kuch bhi karega, which we have seen on Sony channel. After performing all the international performance, today they are with us. Please put your hands together and welcome on stage a special dance performance. A surprise is waiting for you all. YIZUMI HPM in India today, in Gujarat today, as we inaugurate, as we launch this factory. Here we have one special performance coming up for you. And wait, there is some surprise which you are going to see, I think, at the end of the performance. Let's get ready. Here we have Bappa's Entertainment on your stage.
Jai Ho! Jai Jai Ho!
मैंने पहलवानी जरूर छोड़ी है पर लड़ना नहीं भूला। जंग है और जंग एक खेल।
Wow, that is amazing. As I promised you, we are going to see as we unveiled the logo, as we shared the logo of YIZUMI HPM. Can we have the huge round of applause, everyone, for this special dance? हमारी बात हुई यहाँ पे, हमारी बात हुई वहाँ पे, हमारी बात हुई वहाँ पे. But I missed having some conversation from our delegates and dignitaries. Yes, sir. क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
Congratulations, बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ, शानदार स्वागत, शानदार अरेंजमेंट, रमेश जी का, युजुमी टीम का बहुत बहुत आभार, बहुत ही शानदार फैक्ट्री. और हम लोग 2017 से जुड़े हुए हैं. मैं सुनील खंडूजा, न्यूसन प्लास्टिक फरीदाबाद से. एक ही वर्ड कहूँगा, बहुत शानदार मेंटेनेंस फ्री मशीन्स. रमेश जी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. हमारी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन इनके साथ चलने के लिए तैयार है और उम्मीद है आगे ये उनको भी सपोर्ट करेंगे जैसे हमें करते हैं. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sunil. You know, your words are really the pearls of motivation. Thank you so much. Thank you for your words. And like you said, the association, the collaboration is going to be for the longer and longer period of time. The next generation, as you mentioned. Thank you. Anyone from, sir?
Yeah, so my name is Raju Desai and I'm from Jyoti Group, and also representing All India Plastic Manufacturers Association. And I am connected with YIZUMI because of only one person, that is Ramesh. I know him, and I think we have more than 10 machines with us. The USP, what I find in YIZUMI is that very dynamic management team out of China and India, of course, and manufacturing based in China, India, and US. I think they have bought over now HPM, which is the first machine maker, injection molding machine maker in the world. And they have technology coming out of Europe. So the combination of this is offering them very unique position, and I wish them all the best. And thank you for inviting us.
Sir, your words matter a lot to us. Thank you so much. Can we have the huge round of applause, everyone? Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your words. Really means a lot. Yes, sir. Please add more light into this moment by your words.
Good morning, and I am Arvind Mehta from All India Plastics Manufacturers Association, Governing Council Chairman. We are proud that we heard from your chairman that All India Plastics Manufacturers Association was first to recognize YIZUMI, and we made it possible that they are here. So we supported them in the ministry and all that, so we are proud of it. So most welcome, and we are happy to hear the customers report. Our Raju bhai is your customer, and he is very happy, so we are happy. Thank you.
You know how beautifully the message is conveyed, sir. Raju sir, you are happy. Mr. Arvind Mehta is happy. Like how beautiful it is said, you know, aap khush, hum khush. And thank you so much, Mr. Arvind Mehta. We really, you know, we really value your words a lot. We respect it. Yes, sir.
Also here, President of All India Plastic.
President of All India. जब सबकी बात हो तो sir हम कैसे miss कर सकते? But before that, can we have the huge round of applause, everyone, for Mr. Arvind Mehta? Thank you so much, Arvind ji.
Very good morning, everybody. My warm wishes on behalf of AIPMA to Mr. Ramesh and the team YIZUMI HPM, and wish them best of luck. We have a very long-term associations by getting associated in our plus divisions and other events. So once again, my best wishes, and I'm sure this will go a very long way. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Your time, your presence, your words, everything matter a lot to us. Can we have a huge round of applause, everyone? Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now, Ramesh sir नहीं है, but still, अच्छा, Ramesh sir हमें बहुत ही जल्द, Ramesh sir कहाँ है? Ramesh sir कहाँ है? Can I see Ramesh sir in the house? Okay, आज का दिन भी इतना खास है. Today is such a special day. busy होंगे. Ma'am, I wanted to have some conversation with you also, but since sir is not here, we will just wait for some time and I'll come back and have a quick conversation with you. But till then, 2 minutes, 2 minutes we have just to chit chat. अपने आजू बाजू वालों से बात करते हैं. Who is in your neighbor? Just say thank you. You know, it is always good to appreciate. It is always good to be filled with gratitude. Let's appreciate, let's handhold each other, and let's say hi, because it's time to know, it's time for networking also. You know, when we are there, when we are together, why not to meet and greet your partner, the one who is sitting next to you? Otherwise, क्या होता है, program खत्म हो जाता है, and फिर पता ही नहीं चलता है बाजू में कौन बैठा था. So, you know, it's a quick time to you as we are waiting for our chief guest. So quick chit chat आपस में. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. May I humbly request everyone to please come back and take, as we have our chief guest हमारे बीच पधार चुके हैं, हमारे बीच आ चुके हैं, उनसे मुलाकात और उनका स्वागत हम करने वाले हैं. So I request everyone, पधारो डेलीगेट से अनुरोध है, कृपया अपना स्थान ग्रहण करें. put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, as we welcome our chief guest, Shri Jagdish Panchal. How delighted we are to have the presence of our chief guest, Shri Jagdish Panchal. सबसे पहले एक बार जोरदार से जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं everyone, as we welcome our main chief guest, Shri Jagdish Vishwakarma Panchal. If I talk about Shri Jagdish Vishwakarma Panchal, he was sworn in as Minister of Corporation, Cottage Industry, Salt Industries, Protocol Industries, Forest, Environmental, Climate Change, Printing and Stationery, ladies and gentlemen, Roads and Buildings, State Minister of September 17, 2021. Shri Jagdish Vishwakarma began his political journey as a booth in charge in Thakkar Bapa Nagar ward and got elected as MLA from Nicole constituency. In 2012 Gujarat Assembly elections, ladies and gentlemen, he began his political career in 1998. He has also served as a convener of Udyog Sale BJP Gujarat between 2013. Later on, he served as president of Karnavati BJP Ahmedabad city. I request, please put your hands together and welcome Shri Jagdish Vishwakarma Panchal. Sir, I have to say one thing यहाँ पे. मैं एक बार जब मुझे मौका मिला था आपसे मिलने का, आपको इनवाइट करने का आपके ऑफिस में, जगदीश सर, टेबल के ऊपर दो टेबल हैं. इस तरफ एक टेबल पे काम चल रहा है, इस हाथ से ये टेबल पे काम चल रहा है. There is an assistant who is coming. सर, आपके लिए ये कॉल है. साइड में आगे नोटबुक रखी हुई है. How do you manage everything together, sir? So much to learn from you for, the generation, जो हमारा generation है. You are an icon, sir. You are the inspiration to a whole lot of industry and entire. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jagdish, sir. So delighted to have your presence with us on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm super happy to invite MLA Sanand, Mr. Kanu Bhai, on stage. हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं. जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. He's from Sanand and also a president Gujarat Pradesh Yuva Akhil Bharatiya Koli Samaj. आपका हार्दिक हार्दिक स्वागत है सर मंच पे. Ladies and gentlemen, हम मंच पे स्वागत करना चाहेंगे श्री अजीत ददिच, म्यूनिसिपल काउंसलर बीजेपी, the councillor and standing committee member of BJP Vadodara Gujarat. We thank him for his special support. Thank you so much, Shri Ajit ji. We are happy to have Wilman joining us on the stage. Thank you, Wilman. As I request on the stage, Mrs. Vardhan to please join us on the stage. Mrs. Vardhan also to join us on the stage. May I also request Mr. Kirti Mahalingam to please join us on the stage. तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट everyone. It's YIZUMI India HPM. The moment where we all had been waiting for. I would request Mr. Ramesh, Mr. Wilman to please felicitate with the flowers. बुके से जो है, बुके से स्वागत करना चाहेंगे हमारे बीच उपस्थित हमारे चीफ गेस्ट श्री जगदीश पंचाल जी का. एवरीवन तालियों के साथ, तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट के साथ स्वागत करेंगे. I would request Mr. Ramesh, Wilman and Kirti to please स्वागत करें हमारे बीच उपस्थित ladies and gentlemen श्री कन्नू भाई पटेल जी का. हार्दिक हार्दिक स्वागत. I request कीर्ति सर, रमेश सर to please स्वागत करें, to please felicitate हमारे बीच उपस्थित श्री अजीत ददिच जी का. Thank you so much. How beautiful is this moment on the stage as we inaugurate YIZUMI India HPM. You know, as we were talking about Gautam Buddha, as we were talking about the last words of Gautam Buddha were Apo Deepo Bhava, which means be your own light, be the awakened one. अब हम ज्ञान की ज्योति जलाने जा रहे हैं. दिए की ज्योति जो सुख, समृद्धि, सुरक्षा का प्रतीक है. आइए, I request our dignitaries to please join us for lamp lighting ceremony. ज्ञान की ज्योति को जलाने जा रहे हैं, अंधकार को हमेशा दूर करने जा रहे हैं, और ये रोशनी, ये दिया, ये ज्योति हम सब की जिंदगी में खुशियां लाए. Happy and healthy life. Press one. Please put your hands together as we request our dignitaries. ज्ञान की ज्योति जल चुकी है. Everyone, जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. Can we have the big and thunderous round of applause, everyone, for this special moment? With this note, hereby I request our chief guest. We welcome you, sir, Jagdish sir, once again on behalf of my entire team of YIZUMI India HPM. A very warm welcome. And now I would request you to please highlight. Ladies and gentlemen, the man behind YIZUMI India. It gives me an immense pleasure to request the Managing Director, YIZUMI India. Please put your hands together and let's welcome once again on the stage as we request Mr. Ramesh Vardhan to please highlight this moment by your words. तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट हो जाए, everyone. Can we have a thunderous round of applause?
Distinguished guests, my friends, customers, and ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of all, I thank you, Industrial Minister Jagdish Bhai. We just approached him 2-3 days back only. He was very busy with the election work. He got already appointment from Rajkot, but he made sure, he promised me and he made his promise full and he came here. Thank you once again. And this shows how the Gujarat government is support to the industry. So this is an example. You know, they want to honor us to be present here when we do the investment here. Thank you I have prepared a long thank you speech, but in the last, Rajat, उसको wheeling कर देंगे ना?
बिल्कुल. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ramesh sir. Before we, raise the curtain, before we unveil the special, before we see the special moment, may I humbly request our chief guest, Shri Jagdish Panchal sir, to please highlight this moment by your words, sir. Zordar Tali, everyone, a thunderous round of applause. We thank you, sir, for your precious time. We are really waiting, excited to hear from you.
YIZUMI इंडिया का इस इनॉग्रेशन फंक्शन के अंदर मैं कुछ फ्यू वर्ड्स कहूँ उससे पहले मैं आप सबसे माफ़ी मांगना चाहूँगा, सॉरी कहूँगा, क्योंकि मैं 48 मिनट लेट आया हूँ. मुझे यहाँ पहुँचना था 11 बजे और ये फंक्शन 48 मिनट लेट हो रहा है, तो आई एम हार्टली सॉरी टू ऑल ऑफ यू. बिकॉज एक और भी फंक्शन था, वहाँ पे फंक्शन के जो चीफ गेस्ट आने वाले थे वो भी टाइम सर आ चुके थे, मगर जो ऑडियंस था वो ऑडियंस नहीं आया था. तो जो ऑर्गेनाइजर थे उन्होंने कहा कि भाई आप आधा घंटा वेट कीजिए, दैट्स वाई आई एम लेट एंड कम टू हियर. YIZUMI के डायरेक्टर श्री रमेश वंदन जी को आज कॉन्ग्रेचुलेसन कहूँगा कि उन्होंने काफ़ी ह्यूज प्लांट गुजरात के अंदर, साणंद के अंदर इंट्रोड्यूस किया है. मेरे साथ इस फंक्शन में जुड़े हमारे साणंद विधानसभा के एमएलए श्री कनु भाई, श्री विमलेक्स जो, श्री अजीत दालियान एंड श्री किरीट जी, और पूरे इंडिया से आए हुए हैं ऑल डेलीगेट्स, ऑल एम्प्लॉयज़. आई एम वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू. जब भी कहीं भी इनॉग्रेशन में जाता हूँ या कोई भी फंक्शन में जाता हूँ तो कहीं ना कहीं एक सवाल खड़ा होता है कि लोग गुजरात को प्रीफर क्यों कर रहे हैं. वाई वी कम इन गुजरात, वाई वी चूज इन गुजरात, वाई वी सिलेक्ट इन गुजरात, वाई इन्वेस्ट इन गुजरात. अभी एक ऑल इंडिया की CIA की मीट थी, तो मुझे वहाँ जाना हुआ था. तो CIA के प्रेसिडेंट ने पूछा कि व्हाट इज़ द स्पेशल थिंग इन गुजरात. ऐसा तो गुजरात के अंदर क्या है कि लोग गुजरात से, पूरे देश, वर्ल्ड से, पूरे भारत के इन्वेस्टर गुजरात में आ रहे हैं, पूरे वर्ल्ड से लोग गुजरात के अंदर आ रहे हैं. मैंने उनको, मेरा जो आंसर था ऐसा था कि हमारे पास सबसे पहले तो गुजरात का वो जो मार्केटिंग CEO है, आज पूरे देश का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर CEO हमारे पास है, हम सबके पास है. आज मुझे नाम कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, मगर आप काफ़ी अच्छी तरह से उन नाम को जान गए होंगे कि हमारे पास पूरा वर्ल्ड का बेस्ट ब्रांड एम्बेसडर आज हमारे पास है. और उन्हीं की बदौलत, उन्हीं के विजन से आज हम लोग अच्छी तरह से पूरे देश का मार्केटिंग कर रहे हैं और गुजरात का भी ग्रोथ हो रहा है. जब 2003 के अंदर वाइब्रेंट गुजरात की शुरुआत की थी तो 800 कैपेसिटी का एक छोटा सा हॉल था. उसके अंदर देश के यशस्वी वड़ा प्रधान जब गुजरात के मुख्यमंत्री थे तब उन्होंने एक इंडस्ट्रियल मीट रखी थी, वाइब्रेंट उसका नाम रखा था. तब पूरे गुजरात के जितने भी इंडस्ट्रीज पीपल थे वो सब वहाँ पर आए हुए थे. तब मीडिया ने भी और बाकी काफ़ी लोगों ने वो वाइब्रेंट का क्रिटिसाइज किया था कि सरकार का और इंडस्ट्रीज का तालमेल क्या है और ये वाइब्रेंट करके नरेंद्र भाई क्या साबित करना चाहते हैं. तब लोगों को पता नहीं था कि देश के वड़ा प्रधान जी का ये विजन है कि एक वाइब्रेंट ने पूरे गुजरात को बदल दिया. गुजरात के नक्शे कदम चलते हुए बाकी देश के लोग, बाकी स्टेट के लोग वाइब्रेंट के अलग अलग नाम से अपने स्टेट के अंदर, अपनी कंट्री के अंदर वो इवेंट करने लगे. इस वाइब्रेंट के प्रमोशन के अंदर मुझे और CM साहब को दुबई जाना हुआ. तो दुबई के शेख के वहाँ हमारा लंच था, तो दुबई के शेख ने एक ऑफर की कि जैसे वाइब्रेंट वहां पर कर रहे हो, मुझे आपकी ओर से दुबई के अंदर, यहाँ हमारे पास लाइमस्टोन ज़्यादा है, तो आपके वहाँ से इन्वेस्टर दुबई के अंदर आए, अबू धाबी में आए, ऐसा उन लोगों का ऑफर था। अभी यूएस के कई स्टेट्स के मिनिस्टर्स गुजरात आए, मुझे मिले, सीएम साहब को मिले। उनकी भी डिमांड थी कि गुजरात से इन्वेस्टर यूएस के अंदर आए, वहां पे मैन्युफैक्चर फैसिलिटी हम लोग देंगे। रिसेंटली यूक्रेन और रशिया के जो वॉर चल रहा है, रशिया से ऑफर आई सेंट्रल के अंदर। आपको ताजुब होगा कि देश के यशस्वी वडाप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने जब से देश की सुकान संभाली, अपने हाथों में डोर ली है, पहले हमारी क्रेडिट क्या थी, हम लोगों को और भी कंट्री के हम लोग बिजनेस करते हैं, अगर कहीं जाते हैं तो लोग किस नज़रिए से देखते थे और आज किस नज़रिए से देख रहे हैं। रसिया से ऑफर आई कि इंडिया से अच्छे बिजनेसमैन, अच्छे इन्वेस्टर्स हमें रसिया के अंदर चाहिए। रसिया के अंदर जो एग्जिस्टिंग जितनी भी कंपनियां हैं, जितने बड़े बड़े सर्विस सेक्टर्स हैं, वहाँ से रशिया छोड़कर वो लोग चले गए हैं। तो रसिया के अंदर जितनी भी इंडस्ट्रीज वो चलाने के लिए, जितने भी स्टोर्स है वो चलाने के लिए हमें अच्छे इन्वेस्टर की ज़रूरत है। तो रिसेंटली मनसुख मांडविया जी आए थे, उन्होंने भी मुझे बात की, जगदीश एक टीम तैयार करो और यहाँ से इन्वेस्टर को वहाँ भी ले जाए, वहाँ भी सिनारियो दिखाए। आपने सबने सुना होगा झारा कंपनी का नाम। पूरे रशिया के अंदर 300 जितने स्टोर्स खाली पड़े हैं, उनको इन्वेस्टर चाहिए। तो देश के वडाप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदी जी का गुजरात की स्थिति जो मजबूत हो रही है, पूरे देश की स्थिति जो मजबूत हो रही है, तो लोगों का नज़रिया हमारे लिए कितना बदल गया है, ये इसका सबसे बड़ा उदाहरण है। जब मैं रमेश जी को पूछ रहा था कि हमारा स्टैक कितना है, चाइनीज कंपनी का स्टैक कितना है और यूएस कंपनी का स्टैक है, कोरोना के अंदर जब पूरा विश्व कोरोना कैसे दूर हो, क्या कोरोना कैसे की सफलता कैसे मिले, कोरोना के अंदर उसमें वो सोच में पड़े हुए थे, तब देश के वडाप्रधान जी ने आत्मनिर्भर भारत, मेक इन इंडिया, लोकल टू वोकल, ये 3 सूत्र लॉन्च किए। और हमने सबसे बड़ी सफलता, हम सब जहाँ भी जितने लोग हैं वो उस बात को जरूर मानेंगे कि हमने वैक्सीन डेवलप करके सबसे बड़ी सफलता हासिल की। और कोरोना की वैक्सीन हमने मोर देन 80 कंट्रीज के अंदर हमने एक्सपोर्ट भी की, और कई कंट्रियाँ ऐसी है जो अनडेवलप कंट्रियाँ हैं, वहाँ पर चैरिटी बेसिस पर हमने उनको फ्री में भी दिया। तो पहले लोग इंडिया की कोई भी प्रोडक्ट बनती थी, हम लोग कोई भी बायर्स, हम लोग मशीनरी परचेज करते थे, तो हम देखते थे कि वो प्रोडक्ट कहाँ की बनी हुई है, मेड इन जैपनीज, मेड इन यूएसए, कौन सी कंपनी की प्रोडक्ट है, वो प्रोडक्ट का लोगो देखकर हम प्रोडक्ट खरीद रहे थे। आज पूरे देश का सिनेरियो चेंज हुआ है। आज एंटायर वर्ल्ड मेक इन इंडिया की प्रोडक्ट को वो खुशी खुशी वो प्रोडक्ट को परचेज कर रहे हैं। जो प्रोडक्ट आज जो फैक्ट्री यहाँ पे डाली है और जितने भी मैन्युफैक्चरर्स यहाँ पे हैं जो पूरे वर्ल्ड इंडिया से आए हुए हैं, मैं एक बात जरूर कहना चाहूँगा कि मेड इन इंडिया की प्रोडक्ट पर लोग ट्रस्ट कैसे करेंगे। देश के वडाप्रधान जी का जो विजन है, आप ये फैक्ट्री देख रहे हो, ये फैक्ट्री बनाने के लिए पैसा जरूर चाइना से आया होगा, यूएस से आया होगा, जो भी इन्वेस्टर उन्होंने पैसा डाला होगा, मगर ये फैक्ट्री बनी है इंडिया के अंदर, फैक्ट्री बनी है गुजरात के अंदर। यहाँ क्वालिटी ऑफ वर्क देख रहे हैं, जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर क्रिएट किया हुआ है, वो हमें ऐसा लग रहा है कि एक फैक्ट्री के कंपाउंड के अंदर देखे, आपने जीआईडीसी का रोड देखा, जहाँ से जीआईडीसी एंटर होते हैं, पूरा रोड आरसीसी का बना हुआ है। और ये फैक्ट्री के अंदर जो भी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में क्रिएट किया हुआ है, उसकी क्वालिटी हम लोग देख रहे हैं। यानी गुजरात के मैन्युफैक्चर का, इंडिया के मैन्युफैक्चर का नज़रिया बदला है। मेक इन इंडिया का वो प्राउड लेने के लिए हमारे मैन्युफैक्चर भी आगे आए हैं और हमारी खुद की ब्रांड यानी मेक इन इंडिया की ब्रांड को आगे बढ़ाने की दिशा में हम लोग सब सोच रहे हैं। ये काफ़ी अच्छी बात है। आने वाले दिनों के अंदर, अभी रिसेंटली 2 दिन पहले ही हमने एक एमएसएमई के लिए, लार्ज के लिए एक इंडस्ट्रीज पॉलिसी लॉन्च की। इंडस्ट्रीज पॉलिसी लॉन्च करने के बाद जिन्होंने भी शायद इंडस्ट्रीज पॉलिसी स्टडी की हो, मेरे पर कम से कम मोर देन 200 या 300 कॉल्स आए इंडस्ट्रीज से 2-3 दिन के अंदर कि सर शायद ऐसी पॉलिसी पूरे देश के अंदर कोई भी स्टेट के अंदर नहीं है जिस पॉलिसी को हमने इंट्रोड्यूस किया है। कम से कम 12.5 लाख करोड़ से भी ज़्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट आने वाले दिनों के अंदर गुजरात के अंदर आएगा और गुजरात के अंदर 15 लाख से भी ज़्यादा जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ बढ़ेगी। वाई पीपल चूज इन गुजरात? गुजरात के अंदर 2,20,000 किलोमीटर का रोड नेटवर्क है। 2,20,000 किलोमीटर का रोड नेटवर्क है। 5,800 किलोमीटर का रेलवे लाइन है। एयरपोर्ट एक्सेसिबिलिटी 19 से ज़्यादा एयरपोर्ट गुजरात के अंदर है। पूरे देश में जो एक्सपोर्ट होता है उसका 40% एक्सपोर्ट गुजरात के मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं और बाकी अदर स्टेट से एक्सपोर्ट फैसिलिटी पूरे देश के अंदर सबसे ज़्यादा गुजरात के अंदर है। वी हैव 1600 किलोमीटर का कोस्टल एरिया है हमारे पास। उसकी बदौलत नरेंद्र मोदी जब गुजरात के मुख्यमंत्री थे तब से लेकर आज तक 48 पोर्ट गुजरात के अंदर क्रिएट हुए हैं, बने हुए हैं। ये 48 पोर्ट के हिसाब से राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश, बाकी अदर जो नेबर स्टेट है उसके लिए भी एक्सपोर्ट का सबसे अच्छा मोमेंट, सबसे अच्छी फैसिलिटीज़ वो गुजरात के अंदर प्रोवाइड है। गुजरात के अंदर जितने भी मशीन मैन्युफैक्चर, जो भी मैन्युफैक्चर्स हैं, उनके लिए काफ़ी अच्छी फैसिलिटीज़ गुजरात के अंदर है। स्किल्ड मैन पावर भी काफ़ी अवेलेबल है। जितने भी लोग गुजरात के अंदर आते हैं, तो टूरिज्म की बात करें तो आज देश का सबसे बड़ा टूरिज्म पॉइंट वो गुजरात बना हुआ है। जितने भी लोग यहाँ आए हुए हैं, मैं रमेश जी को एक रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि सारे लोगों को, अगर किसी की आज की टिकट रिटर्न हो, कल की हो, मैं एक रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा रमेश जी को, जरूर उनको स्टैच्यू ऑफ यूनिटी दिखाइए, स्टैच्यू ऑफ यूनिटी ले जाइए। जहाँ मेरी ज़रूरत पड़े मैं हेल्प करूँगा। गुजरात आए हो तो स्टैच्यू ऑफ यूनिटी देखकर जाइए। आप स्टैच्यू ऑफ यूनिटी जाएंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने क्या वहाँ पे करिश्मा किया हुआ है। पूरे देश से लोहे के छोटे छोटे टुकड़े फार्मर्स के पास से कलेक्ट करके वो लोहे के टुकड़े का क्या यूज़ किया हुआ है। आज पूरे वर्ल्ड के अंदर जितनी भी 7 अजायबियाँ है देखने जैसी, सबसे ज़्यादा टूरिस्ट आज गुजरात के केवड़िया कॉलोनी आ रहे हैं। ये हमारे सब के लिए काफ़ी गर्व की बात है। जो सारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर क्रिएट किया हुआ है वो सारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर देखने लगे, वो टेक्नोलॉजी देखने जैसी है कि गुजरात के अंदर क्या पॉसिबल है। अभी रिसेंटली एक बहुत बड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट गुजरात के अंदर आया। गुजरात के अंदर वो इन्वेस्टमेंट आते ही नेबरी स्टेट को तो जेलसी हुई, बाकी नेबरस कंट्री को, डेवलप कंट्री को भी जेलस हुए। 1.5 लाख करोड़ का सेमी कंडक्टर का इन्वेस्टमेंट गुजरात के अंदर आया। काफ़ी बड़ी बात है आने वाले दिनों के लिए। सेमी कंडक्टर पॉलिसी जैसे ही रिफॉर्म हुई, गुजरात ने उसको इनिशिएटिव करके सबसे पहले पॉलिसी गुजरात ने लॉन्च की। कल और मैं सीएम साहब गिफ्ट सिटी के अंदर थे, जिनके पास टाइम कम है, मैं रमेश जी को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि उन सबको गिफ्ट सिटी भी दिखाए। पूरे देश का सबसे बड़ा गिफ्ट सिटी गुजरात के अंदर है, गांधीनगर के अंदर है। यहाँ से 50 किलोमीटर दूर गांधीनगर है, 45 किलोमीटर आई थिंक कनु भाई। गिफ्ट सिटी जाइए। कल ही हमने पीएम गति शक्ति मास्टर प्लान लॉन्च किया। आप सबको हैरानी होगी जानकर, वो पूरे देश के अंदर पीएम गति शक्ति मास्टर प्लान लॉन्च करके 1 लाख करोड़ का बजट बड़ा प्रधान सिंह ने प्रावधान किया। देश के अंदर जितने भी अपने हमारे डिपार्टमेंट है, 16 डिपार्टमेंट को इंटीग्रेट किया। हर राज्य को इनिशिएटिव करने के लिए बोला। और पूरे देश के अंदर गुजरात एक ऐसा स्टेट है कि सबसे पहले गुजरात पीएम गति शक्ति मास्टर प्लान के साथ जुड़ा और गुजरात ने कल लॉन्च भी किया। गुजरात के 21 डिपार्टमेंट एक साथ नेटवर्क पर जुड़ेंगे और 500 से ज़्यादा लेयर्स हैं उसके साथ जुड़ेंगे। आपको ताज्जुब होगा ये जानकर कि देश का पहला राज्य गुजरात है जिसके पास लैंड बैंक डेवलप किया हुआ है। कोई भी इन्वेस्टर को गुजरात के अंदर इन्वेस्ट करना है, कोई भी इंडस्ट्रीज डालनी है, तो मुझे कहाँ पे लैंड अवेलेबिलिटी है, वो अगर गुजरात गवर्नमेंट गुजरात के पोर्टल पर जाएगा तो उनको पता चलेगा कि यहाँ पर लैंड अवेलेबिलिटी है मेरे पास। किसको कहाँ पे पानी का सोर्स ज़्यादा चाहिए, वाटर बॉडी कहाँ पर है, उसके पास लैंड चाहिए, तो अपने पैरामीटर फिलअप करेगा कि मुझे पावर एक्सेस चाहिए, मुझे रेलवे ग्रिड चाहिए, मुझे एयरपोर्ट एक्सेसमेंट चाहिए। ये सारे एक्सेस आपको एक ही पोर्टल पे आपको जैसे क्लिक करते जाएंगे, मेरी वाटर की रिक्वायरमेंट इतनी है, मेरी रेलवे की रिक्वायरमेंट है, मेरी एयरपोर्ट की रिक्वायरमेंट है, मेरी रेंट फ्लैट चाहिए, मुझे ये वर्कर्स की फैसिलिटीज चाहिए, वो हिसाब से आप लोग आपकी जगह आप खुद तय कर पाओगे। आपको किसी भी इंटरवेंशन की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। और जैसे भी आप लैंड को चूज करोगे, लैंड के क्या प्राइस रहेंगे, आपको किसी को, कोई भी मिनिस्टर को, कोई भी ब्यूरोक्रेट्स को मिलने की जरूरत नहीं है। विदाउट एनी इंटरफेशन आपको वो प्लांट शुरू हो सकता है। और आपको गवर्नमेंट ऑफ गुजरात ने वो भी फैसिलिटी डाली हुई है कि आप जैसे भी कोई भी जगह सिलेक्ट करते हो, आपका प्लांट, आपकी परमिशन मिलती है। 3 साल के अंदर आपको सारी परमिशन लेनी है। यानी आप जैसे भी इन्वेस्ट करते हो, जगह सिलेक्शन करते हो, आपको स्टैम्प करते हैं। बाकी की परमिशन आप प्लांट चालू करने के बाद भी ले सकते हो। ऐसी फैसिलिटीज पूरे देश के अंदर सिर्फ गुजरात के अंदर है। दैट्स वाई पीपल कम इन गुजरात। तो सीआई ने जो मुझे पूछा था कि ऐसा गुजरात के पास क्या है, ऐसा गुजरात कैसे मार्केटिंग कर सकता है, तो एज ए इंडस्ट्रीज मिनिस्टर्स मैंने कुछ बातें आपके सामने रखी है। जितने भी ऑल इंडिया से जो भी लोग आए हुए, जो भी मैन्युफैक्चरर्स आए हुए हैं, उनको एज ए इंडस्ट्रीज मिनिस्टर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ गुजरात आई इनवाइट ऑल ऑफ यू। डिफेंस एक्सपो भी आने वाले दिनों के अंदर 18, 19, 20 होने वाला है। दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा डिफेंस एक्सपो देश के यशस्वी बड़ा प्रधान गुजरात में गांधीनगर में लॉन्च करने जा रहे हैं। आप सब आइए। गुजरात के अंदर क्या क्या फैसिलिटीज है, आपको एक छोटी बात करके मैं मेरी बात को खत्म करूंगा कि डिफेंस की जो पॉलिसी थी, जैसे रमेश जी चाइना से, यूएस से जो टेक्नोलॉजी लेकर आया है, तो वहाँ की कंट्री का स्टेक भी ज़्यादा होगा। उसी तरह पहले भी डिफेंस के इक्विपमेंट गुजरात पूरे इंडिया में बनते थे, मगर डिफेंस पॉलिसी की वजह से 100% हार्डकोर चीज़ हम लोग नहीं बना पा रहे थे। रमेश जी को पता होगा, रमेश जी के पास यहाँ CNC मशीन, लेज़र मशीन, वायर कट, लेज़र कट सारे मशीन्स हो गए, मगर वो मशीन भी इंपोर्ट करके लाते थे। तो जितने यूरोपियन मैन्युफैक्चर से यूएस के मैंने वो लिखा लेते थे कि आप कोई भी डिफेंस एक्टिविटी आपके कंट्री में नहीं कर पाओगे। तो ये चीज़ देश के यशस्वी वडाप्रधान के नेतृत्व के बाद वो चीज़ भी रिमूव हो गई। आज इंडिया का और गुजरात का कोई भी मैन्युफैक्चरर डिफेंस एक्टिविटी के साथ जुड़ सकता है, वो भी नीतियाँ सरल की है। आपको जानकर खुशी होगी कि एलएनटी के अंदर मोर देन 100, सूरत हजीरा के पास मोर देन 100 टैंक गुजरात ने प्रोड्यूस करके भेजी है। आज गुजरात के अंदर पिन से लेकर छोटी पिन गांधीधाम के अंदर बन रही है। अमरेली किसी मैन्युफैक्चरर ने प्लान बनाने की परमिशन मांगी, उसने प्लॉट अलॉट कर दिया है, उसका कोलोबरेशन हो चुका है, प्लान मांगने की परमिशन मांगी हुई हमसे। बड़ौदा के अंदर ड्रोन मैन्युफैक्चरर स्टार्ट हो चुके हैं। गांधीनगर के पास आइस के लेंस बनने शुरू हो गए। यानी ऐसा कहा जाए तो कुछ गलत नहीं होगा कि पिन से लेकर प्लान तक, टैंक तक सारी चीज गुजरात के अंदर बन रही है। और यहाँ जो कंपनी आज हमने इनॉग्रेशन करने जा रहे हैं, वो कंपनी से जो भी मशीन्स बनेंगे वो पूरे, आज इंडिया का ऑटोमोबाइल हब भी गुजरात है। तो सारे ऑटोमोबाइल्स के मैन्युफैक्चरर्स जितने भी जो प्लास्टिक के स्पेयर पार्ट्स यूज़ करते हैं पूरे के इंडिया के अंदर ये मशीन जाएगी। तो सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी बिहाफ ऑफ गवर्नमेंट गुजरात मुझे होगी कि गुजरात से बनी हुई चीज़ पूरे देश में जाती है, पूरे वर्ल्ड में जाती है। अगेन जो लेट आया हूं तो पूरा कार्यक्रम लेटी से चल रहा है, देरी से चल रहा है, उसके लिए फिर से क्षमा याचना चाहता हूं। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू।
थैंक यू सो मच जगदीश सर। जिस तरह से गुजरात एंड हिंदुस्तान आगे बढ़ रहा है, जगदीश सर, जिस तरह से गुजरात एंड हिंदुस्तान आगे बढ़ रहा है, जिस तरह से आप सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, इतना कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं, एक बार जोरदार से जोरदार तालियां हो जाए फॉर दिस विजन ऑफ जगदीश सर। थैंक यू। Now we are very happy to say big thank you to our dignitaries on the stage before we unveil, before we raise the curtain. So I request Ramesh sir to give the token of thank you to our chief guest, Shri Jagdish Vishwakarma Panchal ji. रमेश जी, आई एम सो सॉरी, मैं आपकी बातों के बीच में आपको डिस्टर्ब कर रही हूँ। आपसे अनुरोध करूँगी कि आप अपने हाथों से टोकन ऑफ थैंक यू जो है हमारे चीफ गेस्ट को दें।
सर, thank you very much for your time, and we feel honored. And आपने एक वर्ड बोला था, इंडिया ब्रांड एम्बेसडर, that is excellent. Okay, it means a lot for us because we are also part of our PM Narendra Modi ji Make in India. So we are glad we are also contributing for his dream. Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, as you rightly said, I want to share how the Gujarat government supported. Because when we took the land, we tried to approach some consultant and somebody. Then one of my friend who is a government officer, through him we approached Tara madam. So when she met, she said, don't approach anyone, everything online. She said, you get everything in 30 days. And it has happened. It has happened. And we have not met anyone, I'm proudly said, I have not spent any rupee under the table. Okay, everything within 30 days we allotted. And when COVID come, my management team was worried how they are going to manage. But trust me, my whole project team, Chinese team is in China. They coordinated with the Indian team and the government process, everything so smooth. Thank you, sir. Thank you, our Chief Minister, sir. Mr. Patel Saab, thank you, our industry for the great support. Once again, thank you for coming and taking your time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Ramesh sir. मैं आपसे अनुरोध करूँगी, I would request Ramesh sir to do the honors in our presence. Ladies and gentlemen, would like to say big thank you with this token of thank you from Ramesh sir to our chief guest, Shri Jagdish Vishwakarma Panchal ji. Thank you, Rameshji. May I now request Mr. Wilman to do honors to felicitate and give token of thank you to Mr. Kanubhai Patel, MLA Sanand. I would now request Mr. Viral to please come forward, and may I request you to do honors and give a token of thank you Shri Dadich Municipal Councillor BJP वडोदरा। तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट के साथ we would like to say thank you to Jagdish sir, Kanu sir and Ajit sir. Thank you so much. Also I would request हमारे बीच उपस्थित मिस्टर कीर्ति, उनका स्वागत करना चाहेंगे, उनको थैंक यू बोलना चाहेंगे। रमेश जी के हाथों से शॉल के साथ उनका आभार व्यक्त करते हुए तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट के साथ एवरीवन। How beautiful is this moment? You know what, ladies and gentlemen, the visionaries are there with us on the stage. The torch bearers are there with us on the stage. The one who defines. Now I would request Ramesh ji, Jagdish sir, Ajit sir, Kanu ji to please join us for raising the curtain to inaugurate and unveil the most awaited moment of this event. Ladies and gentlemen, I request everyone to please join us for this very, very special moment as we request our chief guest, Jagdish ji, Shri Kanubhai Patel, Shri Ajit Dadich. I request our Managing Director, Mr. Ramesh Vardhan, all right, Mrs. Vardhan, Mr. Vardhan and Mrs. Vardhan, please together with a count of 5. Everyone with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Congratulations, here we inaugurated YIZUMI India HPM. I request everyone to please take your seats as we proceed for one special act. हम भारत में हैं और भारतीय संस्कृति कहती है देश भर के अलग अलग विभिन्न रंगों के कल्चरल डांसेस होते हैं, जैसे गुजरातियों के होते हैं गरबे, जो हाल ही में हम लोगों ने सेलिब्रेट किए. Now we are going to see one special performance on the stage by Mansi. I request all our delegates to please take your seats as we proceed for one special act, which is going to be a cultural one, a folk dance on your stage by Mansi. कहते हैं कि इंतज़ार का फल मीठा होता है. We are waiting for our delegates. We are waiting for our dignitaries to come back so that we can start this beautiful performance, ladies and gentlemen. थोड़ा सा इंतज़ार and trust me, the wait will be worth. इंतज़ार का फल मीठा होने वाला है. You know, ladies and gentlemen, here we have prepared a special performance. I request our dignitaries and delegates, please spare some time and join us for this special performance which we have prepared for you all. मैं humbly request कुछ पल और हमारे dignitaries का हम साथ चाहेंगे क्योंकि एक खास परफॉर्मेंस आपके लिए कुछ तैयार किया गया है भारतीय संस्कृति को ध्यान में रखते हुए. Here we have prepared some special performance. I request everyone in the house to please take your seats as we begin this special performance. It's going to be a folk dance, a contemporary one on your stage. Once again, all the dignitaries, all the delegates, I request your presence. I request you all to please take your seats. And with Mansi, here we start this beautiful performance on the stage.
कोई हट गया मन से लिपट अनजाना, वो नील अंग सा रूप रंग लग सगन समाधि प्रेम भंग, चढ़ी अंग अंग फिर मन में दंग और तंग बतंग मैं संग संग और गाना। मुरली की ये धुन सुन राधिके, मुरली की ये धुन सुन राधिके, मुरली की ये धुन सुन राधिके, मुरली की ये धुन सुन राधिके।
Wow, this was absolutely the treat to watch. Thank you, Jagdish sir. Thank you so much for your words, for your time, for your presence. एक बार जोरदार से जोरदार तालियां हो जाए everyone. श्री जगदीश विश्वकर्मा पंचाल हमारे बीच हमें साथ देने के लिए आपका खूब 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 आभार. Ladies and gentlemen, now YIZUMI Corporation is giving gifts to employees who has been associated with YIZUMI since last 5 years. They have all joined in 2016 in YIZUMI HPM. Now this gift we are going to give as a token of appreciation, as a token of thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, for that I would request our Managing Director, YIZUMI India, Mr. Ramesh sir, to please join us on the stage. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for being so patient. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to start awards. We would like to felicitate, we would like to say a big thank you and give awards and gifts to the ones, those who have been with us since last 5 years. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to present awards to the ones, they all have joined in 2016 in YIZUMI HPM. To present the awards, may I please call upon the stage once again, Managing Director, YIZUMI India HPM, Mr. Ramesh Vardhan, to please join us on the stage and present the awards. The first award that goes to none other than, please put your hands together and welcome the first award that goes to Mr. Praveen Jagdish Bhai Sadhu. More than the award, it's actually a token of thank you, it's token of gratitude. Yes, sir.
See, in 5 years, this growth and this facility is not possible without my team. I have an excellent team. There are some key team, 5 to 10 people follow me everywhere. They follow me from my previous company, and so they trusted me. Okay, so we want to honor the key member of the team who has joined me in the first. Our management from China is happy on their contributions. They offered 10-gram gold for each employees to honor them for 5 years. Mr. Praveen is my personal driver, as well as he is a factory maintenance guy.
Ramesh sir, I promise you to be with you for the next 5 years of hosting, right?
I want his son to work for my company.
No, even I'll work as a host, I'll also work. Thank you so much, thank you. Presenting the token of gratitude and thank you to Mr. Praveen Jagdish Bhai Sadhu. Thank you, Praveen. Now, the next we would like to say thank you and present the token of thank you and appreciation to Mr. Pankaj Kumar. I like Ramesh sir ki आवाज में Pankaj. This is like how we work in the regular life, right? This is how we do it. So candid, so natural. Pankaj, I request you to please join us on the stage. कहाँ है पंकज जी?
Pankaj, eat the food afterwards. Come.
Okay, Pankaj, I would request you to join us on the stage. Meanwhile, we'd like to call on the stage Mr. Vivek Kumar. Mr. Vivek Kumar. Pankaj, please join us on the stage. Also, after Vivek Kumar, would like to call Mr. Paresh Bhalani. Paresh Bhalani to please join us. Thank you so much. Thank you. तव्हां सिंधी आहियो? अरे वाह, केॾो सुठो लॻंदो आहे न पंहिंजा माण्हू हिते ॾिसी करे. Ramesh sir, this moment, this celebration has everything. From the words of appreciation, from the audience, from dignitaries, the chief, we have the chief guest with us, Jagdish ji. We saw the dance performances, we saw awards, we saw Unveiling, the curtain raiser. I think this celebration has it all. The complete package was this celebration, and which was definitely your hard work, your efforts through all the years which you have put in your heart and soul into it. Please give a thunderous round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for none other than our Managing Director on stage, Mr. Ramesh Vardhan. May I humbly request you now to please give closing remarks.
Hello. dear customer, my well-wishers, friends, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed an immense pleasure for us to welcome you all to the event, and my sincere thanks from bottom of my heart, traveling from various parts of India, sparing your precious time with us. On behalf of YIZUMI Group, I thank you, our chief guest who has just inaugurated, Honorable Industry Minister Sri Jagdish Bhai Vishwakarma and Mr. Kannubai Patel, MLA, Sanad. Thank you for them accepting our invitation and honoring us. Our sincere thanks to Government of Gujarat for their excellent support to the industry. Also thanks for Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi ji for the Make in India initiative. We are glad that we are also contributed to the Make in India initiative. This is the great day for me personally. I am a little bit emotional because I am emotionally connected with many of my customers. So I have to speak from bottom of my heart about how I success in these ventures. Many people ask me how is YIZUMI, how, because normally they think with the Chinese collaboration, it's difficult to handle. Many customers have some lost experiences. So many people ask me how you are ventured with the Chinese. I started my career as a technical service engineer, then moved to the sales, then moved to the heading of the company, and a famous European company. So it gives me a lot of technical knowledge, and I travel around all India. I used to interact with all the engineers on the down floor, and I used to, for the sales, I used to contact with the owners of the company also. So it gave an excellent opportunity for me to understand what the machine operator need, what the customer, the owner need. So thank for the company which we are working, they gave an immense opportunity for me. Based on this experience, see, given a chance, everybody of you want to buy a good machine. When I used to go to sell the European machine, and it's very expensive. It's very expensive in the sense because you are supplying to the your buyers, not paying the same price what they are going to pay in Europe. So the Indian need a good machine. So it was my dream. I want to bring an excellent machine into India. I was contemplating for almost last 10 years. In this process, the only way is to find a Chinese company which should have the international expertise. Believe me, I have visited more than 15 Chinese companies. For the joint venture, I visited their factory. The first person meet us is a sales lady, mostly in China. The ladies working in the the sales department. They say first, you make a joint venture and sell some machines, and then we will see later on how it is. But I was very firm on my stand. It is easy to sell machines because you are my friends. We know each other for 20 years. If I come and ask you, you give me a chance. But if I do not know the machine quality, if I do not know the management support, how it is possible for me to make a good machine with reasonable price. So in this process, and also another very disadvantage is most of the Chinese owners don't speak English. So only there is interpreter. See, when you don't speak, direct to direct with the owners, so it's very difficult for you to, convey our ideas and convey what is in India. It is. So I have been watching the YIZUMI Group. I've been visiting, China Plus for last since 2000. I have been watching YIZUMI Group for so many years because every year in China Plus they have been improving the product, and honestly speaking, it looked like an European machines. So I approached YIZUMI, okay, and I sent a mail to them, to our joint venture. They asked me to come down to the exhibition, and I want to say you how sincere they are, because they received me and we discussed initially. In this occasion, I want to say thank you, Mr. Arun and Mr. Jain, his son is also there. He also just as a visitor, he is our customer. He follows me wherever I go, one of my big customers. And we are going together. I say, sir, I'm going to talk to them with a joint venture. And he said, Ramesh, do it. If you tell me whatever money you want, I am ready to invest. So he said, we went, we were discussing, Mr. Burana Saab and Jain Saab, they told the lady, our sales director, Miss Karan, they told them, if you make a joint venture, I will buy these 2 machines right now. So, I mean, thanks for them, they told instantly, this is not set up or something. They just walk around and Mr. Arun is sitting here laughing. And now he is also, he has promised, he bought more than 20 machines from me. So when you give this, the words, they get more confident. Also, Mr. Snehal Shah, Moksha, Thermoplast, he is here. He was also walking around with me. I showed him, sir, what do you think about it? He went and saw the machine because he's a highly technical person. He said, Ramesh, it's an excellent machine, look excellent. So better, it is much better than any Chinese company. So we had an initial talk. Then I left I was planned to go to Korea to have talk to another joint venture. On 31st April evening, I got a call from Mr. James. He's one of our Indian director. Can you come down tomorrow morning back to, Guangzhou for a meeting? I said, sir, tomorrow is a Labor Day. Well, Labor Day is very important for all the, the Chinese employees or Chinese people. And also their personal holiday because they have been working in the exhibition for 10 days. And it is their personal holiday. But they said, no, Ramesh, for me, this venture is important. So this is the first instance. It shows how they are serious with the business. So Ms. Karan and Mr. James sacrificed their holiday and they called me into the factory. Also our chairman, Mr. Richard, he flew down from Hong Kong to meet me. And then we discussed. They took me to the factory, but when I visited the factory, it's a how moment for me. I didn't expect a Chinese company has such a modern factory. It was as good as any European factory. I mean, online production system. And before that, I visited many companies. First question I asked them, what is the material you are using? What is the dynamics drawing, how you are balancing your machines? They know anything. There are many Chinese companies, no, we buy the clamping unit, we buy the injection unit, okay, we assemble it and sell it, and make thousands of machines they keep in stock. But when I asked the YIZUMI, they politely explained me everything, and after the meeting, immediately they gave me the drawings. I mean, I was surprised how they trusted me within one day. So when I see the factory, that time itself I decided, if at all we want to work with, I want to work with YIZUMI. Okay. So once again, I take this opportunity to thank our ex-chairman, Mr. Chen, our new chairman, Mr. Richard, and James, and Karan. They believe in me, made me as a partner. Believe me, they've given me complete freedom. I told him, when I start the company, I will not sell the machine for 6 months. I need a time to study the machines. I need to study how to modify the machine as per the, Indian requirement. And also I was worked with 20 years European company. I want to make only as per CE standard. So they asked me one question, when you want to, come to China to make machine cheaper, if you make European standard, how it is possible, I said, I don't want to make the cheap machine because there is always somebody who will be cheaper. I want to make the machine with reasonable quality and value for the money. In India, if you give the value for the money, there is a huge potential. They trusted me, Ramesh, go ahead, whatever you want to do. They given me complete freedom on technical. So my core team, the 5 people who came, we started with 400 square feet actually. And also I must say, Mr. Peng, our general manager, who's staying here for last 5 years, even in COVID, he could not able to go back his home. He stayed here 2 years. And he is a link between our China and India. And they trusted me, they given me full freedom. Okay, and also I requested modifications, suppose for example, wider plat and everything. Initially, the entire team worked me, developed a new project for us. So, and these are the people, there are shareholders of the company also. So they are working inside like me. And they speak very good English. And I was surprised how they trusted me. Later on, they told me how this was the cleverness Chinese company. They inquired the entire market about the certain people. They shortlisted the people, 4 or 5 people, and they said, we heard about you. I think maybe thanks for many customers who are given a good view about me, and we know about you. We know about you. And to add this one, my ex-boss, Mr. Hans Obe, who was a man behind, tie barless technology, and he was head of the Crossmofy technical team, has joined this team, and which helped me to sail through inside the company. And they supported me well in all the financial activities, and 100% freedom they given to me, and also still they are believing me whatever I am saying. So that's why from 5 people now we grown 200 people, and now we are going to touch around 200 crore company. Thanks for my entire team, because without the teamwork this would have not been possible. But at this moment I must say, certain thanks to my customer. Okay, Mr. Prakash Devnani who is sitting, you believe me, I just made a joint venture. I went to him, sir, please. I went to him. He asked me, Ramesh, what do you want? I said, sir, I'm going to start. He took a check, returned 50,000. I gave it to me. He never asked me what is the price. Okay, he never asked me what is the quality of the machine. He just gave me the check. Thank you, sir, with your hand, everything. Same thing, Adeshwar Mold, Mr. Jaisuk Bhai, who is a renowned mold maker in India. I just went to him, sir, I'm going to start a new venture. He just took me, and in that time I went by auto. I didn't have, my previous company was around, I had to buy a new car. He said, Ramesh, why you come by auto? Sir, no, I am just going to buy a car. He said, no, he just give his car. He called his son, give his car, take this car and use it, and take a check, 20,000 rupees. I will tell you what model you are going to supply to me. So, but these incidents, and also Arun, Ronch Polymer, he told me when you make, I will buy the machine. So these incidents made me more responsible, because these customers are trusting me blindly. So what I am going to give, so that's what I am more conscious about the quality and the performance of the machine. Okay, so I involve personally each and everything on the decision-making process because of my experience as a service engineer and technical guy. I hope I fulfilled your expectations, sir, with the performance and everything. Okay, and special mention to United Industries. Same story happened. Suresh sir is sitting, Kirti is sitting. I called Suresh sir, I started a new, he is again he is, and his brother and Karthik, all my well-wishers. So wherever I go, they bought some machines. So I told him, sir, can you come down? He said, no, I will not buy any more Chinese, any non-branded Chinese machine. Okay, then I explained him about the machines and everything. He said, then he had some work in Ahmedabad. He said, I will come for a coffee. You are my old friend. He came, and then he saw the machine, the 2-platen machine. He liked it. He said, the machine is okay, but how I rate the performance? So he said, okay, I'll give you a chance. I will lift the machine. Right then he called the Karthik, and they lifted the machine. And then we said, okay, sir, take the machine. I said, don't come to my factory for 6 months. After 3 months, I went to him, and he placed the order of the machine to the other supplier. He said, 3 months is not enough for you to test the machine. But trust me, after 6 months, his son, Mr. Karthik, called me. Okay, I want to buy your machine only. This is the data. And 50 crore order. He gave me one shot, but he used one word. I'm taking a very big risk because this factory is going to come in, Anandapur Kia Motor. They are the only exclusive supplier. If something goes wrong on the machine, just in supply for the automotive industry, my entire business is collapsed. I told him, then he also told me, our YIZUMI is really capable to make such a machines. So he came with me, took his time to China. We saw the factory, and then we interacted with our chairman directly. Then we placed the order, and he's keep on adding the machine. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, Chris, sir, and everything. And Mr. Hagan is from VTK industry. He's also one of the biggest customers. He just received a 2,400 ton machine. Okay, and Venkat is my friend. He's the director of the company. He trusted me. He said, Ramesh, I'm new to the business. I didn't know anything. Okay, you have to help me by giving good machine and support. I said, Venkat, please trust me. I will do everything. He just bought one machine. Now he has nearly 20 machines and one of the biggest machine in India. Also, I have to thank my friend Mohan, Sakti Polymers. He is a friend, but he is a shrewd business guy. He used to negotiate with my Chinese director directly in Chinese. He knows numbers in China. He knows counting the money. So my director, Mr. James, he used to call him a black Chinese. So he also took me around 20 machines from me, and he is unpaid brand ambassador for me. And he always help for me to recommend so many his friends and associates. Thank you, Mohan. Also, I want to mention Mr. Kalai Kumar and Mr. Nanda Kumar from Chennai. They are CJ Polytech, who has also Mr. Nanda from Paperbox. They have introduced us to the molders of Samsung. Today, we are the most number of machines supplied to all the Samsung molder because them. Okay, and Mr. Sasibai, who is here, he is a pioneer in the plastic and crate industry, and he is like a godfather to us. He always guide us, and he has more than 8 machines. Also, he recommend our machines. Okay, so all his wishes only grown. Also, Mr. Prakash Technoplast, who is also here, one of my big customer, Rajesh and Pawan Goyal from GRG. Thank you for your support. And you have so many machines. He also placed a 2,400 ton machine order with us. Okay, we always negotiate hard, fight hard, but at the end we do the business. And Dharmesh Bhai, who has also made, Dharmesh Bhai from Sai Plast, who has also made me popular in crate industries. Okay, and also not to forget Raju Bhai from Jyoti Plastic, who was a president of IPMA. Also my customer, as well as he is our well-wisher. He always give the positive, the vibrant when you talk to him. And thank for your Raju Bhai. I always admire your support for the plastic industry. I also thank you all the IPMA delegates who has took a pain and visited here, and Mr. Dugal from Capcones, Mr. Vimal Kimani from Vibros. So there are so many customers. So if I name individually, it takes more time. So once again, thank you for all you for the support, and we will try to give a good machine with good sales service support. Thank you all. Before going for the lunch, there is a small acrobat activity, then we all can go for the lunch. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Ramesh sir, for your words, for appreciating everyone. That's the quality of real leader, I would say. Always so much to learn from Ramesh sir, from all our dignitaries. Where is Mrs. Vardhan? Mrs. Vardhan kahan hai? Where is she? Okay, no worries, but we have one special performance. Last but not the least, let's enjoy this final and finale performance of this beautiful celebration. This is going to be a rocking one. This is going to be a spectacular one. Let's celebrate the finale performance.
नमस्कार भाइयों और बहनों, जैसे कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि बॉलीवुड को बाइकआउट करने का ट्रेंड काफी जोरों शोरों से चल रहा है। उसी के साथ साथ टॉलीवुड दिन ब दिन अच्छा बिजनेस करते हुए आगे बढ़ रहा है। पर आज बॉलीवुड और टॉलीवुड के यह 4 कलाकार आप सभी के सामने ये प्रूव करने के लिए आ रहे हैं। तो चलिए देखते हैं कौन कितने पानी में है।
क्या हुआ? शौक लगा? मैं यहाँ आया अकेला तेरे सामने, शौक लगा? बोलो जुबा केसरी। सटक ली है।
आइला, पुष्पा।
हमें तो अपनों ने लूटा, गैरों में कहा दम था। मेरी किश्ती थी डूबी वहां जहां पानी कम था।
ये गाड़ी कितने की आती होगी?
ये डब्बे जैसी गाड़ी 5 लाख में तो आ जाएगी भाव।
जमाइला 5 लाख रुपया, ये महंगाई कब बढ़ी?
बचपन से ही।
जाए खरीद के लिए। मैं इधर किसी के फट्टे में टांग अड़ाने को नहीं आया, राज करने के लिए आया मैं, झुकेगा नहीं।
ये मेरा शहर, ये मेरी डगर, सर पे ये आकाश मेरा है घर।
से बड़ा कोई है इस जहां में, अगर वो कोई भी कल का मैं हूँ। मुझों पे धार रहे, हाथ में कुल्हाड़ रहे, ओह नो, युद्ध की पुकार रहे, करता ना समझौता। ए बिट्टा ये मेरा अड्डा, ए बिट्टा ये मेरा अड्डा।
ए पुष्पा, माँ बोलिए पोछा मारने को।
तेरी झलक शर्फी, श्रीवल्ली नैना मदक बर्फी। तेरी झलक शर्फी, श्रीवल्ली बातें करे दो हल्फी।
पुष्पा नाम सुन के फ्लावर समझे क्या? फायर है मैं।
देख पुष्पा, तेरे को एक मस्त ऑफर देता हूँ, साथ में धंधा करते हैं, मेरा पार्टनर बन जा।
धंधा? क्या साउथ का कॉपी करता है आप लोग, और धंधे का बात करता है।
ये बाबूराव, गणपतराव, आपटे।
पकड़ो पकड़ो मेरा कॉस्ट ले लो। ये कुछ तो दे।
अरे मालूम है, ये ले ले।
ये किधर पहनने का? चल मेरे को इतना छोटा दिया। अब देख मैं सबका बैंड कैसे बजाता है, देख। कूतरे साला देख के नंबर डाल कर।
हेलो बाबूराव है?
भक्ति।
ये बाबूराव का स्टाइल है।
गली गली तेरी लाहौर जली जियो रे बाहुबली, गली गली तेरी लाहौर जली जियो रे, प्राणों से बढ़ के हमको है ऐसा वो ऐसा जगमग है तारे सा।
माँ मुझे काला क्यों बनाया?
गोरा बनाती तो तुम मैला हो जाता बेटा।
स्वीट मम्मी।
Guys, we are Indians. बैल जैसे धूल उड़ा के सींग उठा के तुम भी नाचो, बाज जम के ताल ढोल बेटा राजू उड़ के नाचो। हीरो से भी तेज कोई कर सके जो बेद नाचो, अस्तबल में घोड़े जैसे भाग डोर छोड़ नाचो। मिट्टी जोता रोट मोटा मिर्च खा के ऐसे नाचो। हाँ जा छोरे हाँ जा गोरे हाँ जा छोरे, नाचो 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 वीर नाचो 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 यार नाचो 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 कच्ची कैरी जैसा खट्टा नाचो 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 बिच्छू काटा लागे ऐसा नाचो।
That is simply, I would say, amazing, outstanding performance. How amazing was that? एक बार जोरदार से जोरदार तालियां हो जाए everyone. A complete, I would say, the Bollywood come Tollywood, the dhamal that was. And with that note, ladies and gentlemen, it's so tough. We have one of our guests who would like to present shawl to our Managing Director, Mr. Ramesh. So may I request, Ramesh sir, आप आगे आ जाएं and आपके हाथों से आप उनको शॉल पहनाना चाहते हैं. Very nice. सम्मान करना चाहेंगे हमारे बीच आए हुए हमारे dignitaries and delegates. I request Ramesh sir to please join us. Meanwhile, ladies and gentlemen, this has been the incredible time with you all. I have to say, everyone from different parts of India, your presence has made this moment, this inauguration, this factory launch so, so special. Thank you so much for all your support, for being the strongest business associates. Thank you so much for your presence. I'm absolutely delighted. On that note, I would like to say thank you. I, Suman Chelani, truly filled with gratitude for every small little thing which happened in this beautiful celebration. Thank you, Ramesh sir. I thank all our dignitaries. I thank our team, Prayog Events, Rajat Jain, and the entire team, Vacha, everyone. Thank you so much for being the backbone in making this event super successful, in making all the arrangements. Can we have a huge round of applause, everyone, for the back-end team who has been working relentlessly to make this event super successful. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rajat. Thank you, Vacha. Now it's time to say alvida, which I really don't want to say. But कहते हैं ना, कुछ and कहीं बाय बोलना पड़ता है ज़िंदगी में फिर वापस मिलने के लिए. But on that note, can we have irshad from everyone? कुछ शब्द अगर शब्दों में कहें, इरशाद. कहिए ना इरशाद. थोड़ा louder, little louder, इरशाद. अरे वाह. ऐ खुदा अपनी अदालत में हमें ज़मानत देना. ऐ खुदा अपनी अदालत में हमें ज़मानत देना. हम रहें या ना रहें, मेरे पूरे युजुमी टीम को सदा सलामत रखना, सलामत रखना, सलामत रखना। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ आई एम सुमन चलानी signing off this beautiful celebration, this event, with the promise we are going to meet somewhere, some or the other part of the world. जिंदगी में कहीं ना कहीं फिर मुलाकात हो आपसे। तब तक आप सभी को दिवाली is round the corner. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali in advance. All the festivals, all festivities may bring a lot of happiness and success in your life. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day ahead. I request you all to please do join us for the lunch. Thank you.